The suspect, who was taken into custody 3 months ago following the killing of 5 homeless men, has again been detained after 4 street people were attacked in the corporate area on Sunday. The men were injured after being hit with an iron bar about 2 o'clock in the morning. Head of the Jamaica Constabulary Force Corporate Communications Unit, Senior Superintendent Stephanie Lindsay, told our news center that investigators are trying to determine if the attacks are connected.
They are looking at the similarities based on where they are with the investigation. They have one person in custody that they suspect could be a part of it. As a matter of fact, the person that they now have in custody is the same person that was taken into custody when we had the previous death. However, they did not get sufficient evidence and supporting material to show that they could even charge him in that case, so they had to release him. Now they have the situation, so based on evidence and information, he was taken into custody and they are going through some processes to see what might come out of this investigation.
2 of the victims in yesterday's attack were injured on Tom Redcamp Drive, 1 on Ivy Green Crescent, and the 4th person at Silver Slipper Plaza, all in St. Andrew. The homeless men sustained head injuries. They have been hospitalized in serious condition. In January, 6 homeless men were found injured at various locations in the corporate area.